Ay, wag ganun, classmate.
Sometimes I think you only want me for my
Malanisha yan.
suit.
Ano?
Malanisha yan na mas malupit.
Agreement.
Malani siya.
Prepare for battle.
Ganda nga ng build niya.
Very well.
Kala ko si Teams yung ano ko. Ano ba yung Be Like Mike?
Exactly.
Movie ba yan, Carl?
Iris.
Tungkol saan yung ano na yan?
Jordan. Buhay ni Jordan.
Okay.
Proceed.
Okay. Di mo alam yan, we?
Hindi.
Are you thinking what I'm
Pampana siguro yan. Pampamotivation. Panoorin natin yan.
Yes.
tinkering about? Then it's settled.
Try mo na tinker. Hindi pa nga tol eh. Okay lang yan, we? Napachain ako.
Okay lang. Yaman na.
Absolutely.
Isang mamatay, di ba?
Oo.
Proceed.
Sak na dito.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I should say so. Denied. Very well. I'm in complete agreement. Oh, this is perilous.
Tuloy ako.
Then it's settled. Positively.
Positively.
Look at them go! Absolutely. Tinkering about. Are you thinking?
Ba't hindi mo kayo nakuha yung ano? Yung may heal yung march. We?
Isang beses ko lang nagawa.
I carry a charge.
Ayun yung nakuha ni nating to say ah.
Is this really necessary? If I must, I built it myself. My sentiments exactly. Indeed.
Good morning, tol.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, mga idol. Good morning.
Proceed.
Dito dire ba?
No argument there.
Ngayo.
I should say so.
Eh? Kanina lang ako.
I'm in complete agreement. I'll prudently put this aside. Positively. Then it's settled.
Saan?
Very well.
Bago ng body clock mo. Oh, sa.
Bago na.
Sa umaga na ako lagi, so. Yes.
You leave me no choice.
Pwede wag mo laser.
Ay, wag. Hindi ako nanalo sa lane.
Hirap mag-deny eh. May miss eh.
March, march, march.
Kaya mo, Pops.
Absolutely. I should say so. Fixer. My sentiments exactly.
Kaya.
Are you thinking what I'm? Proceed. Science.
Uy, gogo ko. Patay ka, we. Legit.
I'm in complete.
Lang.
Are you thinking what I'm?
Pare ko. Pare.
Go, my little friend. Go.
Yan, darago niyo. Wait, ano?
Uy, gago, may Magnus Stop.
Meron ba?
Kaya ta siyam.
Uy, gago!
Is this really necessary?
Magnus tipid bid.
Exactly.
Ya isa ka. Uli isa ko.
Yung di ka na-skiver.
I should say so. Should say positively.
Diyos ko po.
Joke lang yan eh.
Huwag mo na kabalikan, diba? Diyos ko po. Na kasi, sinabi mo kasi joke. Ito talaga yung kailangan ko sa Discord.
Your top tower is
Daya talaga ni ano? Kyle guys. Last. Ay, gago, alam ko saan ka nag-words. Eh, deny mo na yan, Carl. Deny mo na yan.
Ah, dininay ka na we.
Deny mo
ka
na. Deny mo na, deny mo na.
Labong hindi.
Di mo i-deny yan?
Dininay ko na ka we. No, tingnan mo yung stream ko.
I'm the March. Initializing in 3, 2, 1. Spell 1.
Uy, ubo to.
tower is under attack.
Huwag mo na kaangasan.
Di natakot.
Ginawa kong ano, paingot ah.
Ba't tinus mo? Good shot. Doyo mo, man.
Layo pa ko ah.
Sige lang.
So, good shot. Doyo.
Uy.
I should say so. The massless field flux would self-limit. Then it's subtle. Initializing in 3.
Come back.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I wonder what...
RP, man.
Initializing in 3. They said I was crazy.
Daya niyo. Wait, wala. Ibigay yung Torre. Bigay mo na lang kaya. Oops.
Nope.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Ooh.
Dire structures are fortified. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Then it's subtle.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Okay, so...
Your bottom tower has
Need
fallen.
people, bro. You want take this? You want?
Hit ang stun bro.
Warning ko lang ako to darat.
Coming.
Hindi mo?
Matay lang ng galon.
My sentiments exact very well.
Hindi naman eh.
Positively.
Hey, just go fight Abaddon.
Gusto. Ay, damage. Asan ang damage? Bima, asan ang damage?
Dire's courier
Close up.
has been killed.
Eh, tiny. Tiny guys. Shadow blade, shadow blade, shadow blade. I think.
Goes here.
No run lang.
Uy!
Yun, curl.
Kung ina may replay pa rin yun, so?
Coming, coming, coming.
Tagal naman nun. GG na po.
Patay din.
May GPM eh. No RP guys.
Very well. Go, my little friends. Go!
Daming damage eh, Pops.
I'm in game, guys.
Bring dust guys.
Padalong ko.
Here. Positively.
Malamig like December.
Not yet. I'll
Hindi ko alam tol eh. Hindi siya ang ganyan eh. Siya ang bay.
I'm incomplete.
Paala niya ang bay. Ulit ah.
My sentiments.
Dire structures are fortified.
Can come, can come.
Tinkering about.
Gawa mo mag-boss.
The enemy's top
Pal
tower
naman.
has fallen.
Hindi, sulit pala yun eh. Pinatay mo AA. Pala kayo dyan.
Charming.
Napanood din yung MTS Tinker. Na-try ko din, Pops. Hindi lang ako sanay. Pero malakas early.
Yung Allen.
Yung Tinker ni natin to say. Naka-heal.
Heal?
Yes, tapos naka-Atos beam lang. Goods yun, goods yun.
Ano yun, hindi na mag-ags.
Mag-ags pa rin.
Mag-ags pa rin.
After Glimmer Atos mo. Ay, ground ako.
Skimmer.
Dire structures are fortified.
Ano dagat? Gaya? Looks na. Hindi na paps.
The enemy's middle
Mag-push
tower
pa Deros eh.
Tinkering about.
Magtere-tere pa man ka.
Can I get a
The enemy's middle
Tinkering
barracks
about. This for again.
Talaga mga ping-pong to eh.
Are you thinking?
Five ping-pongs.
dire structures are fortified.
Let's go kaya maya. Oo. Ikaw pa naman nakakuha ng ano eh. Bayonet eh.
Then it's settled.
Sarap nun ko.
I'm incomplete.
Darius RP.
Before I let you go.
The enemy's top tower is fallen. The enemy's top tower is fallen.
Gago, nilabas niya na yung C-word, Pops.
Serious.
Yung ang dying.
Middle tower has fallen. The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
Daya tulo.
Exactly.
Sunch kaya. Kaya siya talaga to.
Nabaruban na kami sa base eh.
Absolute.
Radiant victory.
FM.
Ilan yun?
Lamat ya. FM.
Ilan dagdag sa'yo sa?
Check ko. Put baka 30.
Minus 23 sa akin sa.
Ah, 23. Okay.
Hindi, 25 yun pag sa'yo. Plus 2 yun eh.
FM?
Ah, FM lang, FM.